Hello again, guys. It's me, Lori. Welcome back to my channel. And if it's the first time you're visiting my channel, I just want to say welcome to you. So in this video, I'm just going to show you how I made this beautiful and colorful steamed veg. I made this for lunch, and it is consists of so many different vegetables. It is healthy and it is delicious. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. So I'm gonna start off by slicing my vegetables, and what I'm doing here, I'm chopping my pak choy or bok choy. So sorry about the, I just realized that my board is not showing, it's not showing what I'm doing, but I do apologize for that. But anyway, I am preparing my veg for steaming. The vegetables that I'm using actually is asparagus. I am using bell pepper, bok choy, what else? Onions, green onions. I'm using cucumber as well, and tomato. So and carrots too. So it's really colorful. Now that I'm done prepping my veg, what I'm going to do next, I'm going to add it to my pan. So I add a little water in the bottom of the pan for steaming. So what you're seeing now is that I'm adding the vegetables to the pan. Now what I'm going to do next, I'm going to cover it and allow it to steam. Now I like my steamed veg not too soft. I like them kind of hard and crunchy. So I am also gonna add a little bit of olive oil for taste, and season to taste as well. I am adding a little bit more water and then cover and then allow it to steam. And guys, you need to try this recipe. steamed veggies ready, and guess what? I am gonna dive into it. So it is very, very colorful, as you can see here. It is quick and easy too. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment in the comment section.